జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ. శ్రీమద్భగవద్గీత 12th చాప్టర్ భక్తి యోగము 14th శ్లోక. గీతాచార్య శ్రీకృష్ణ పరమాత్మ గివింగ్ హిజ్ టీచింగ్స్ టు ఈచ్ అండ్ ఎవ్రీ వన్ ఆఫ్ us, including Arjuna. Krishna Paramatma saying that, Arjuna, those devotees who are ever content, who realizes that Atma belongs to me, who keeps their mind under their control, and who has unshakable faith in Vedas, and who dedicates their mind and intellect to me, Arjuna, they are very dear to me. Arjuna, here dedicating mind means realizing that I am supposed to be worshipped because I am the personification of all divine qualities. And dedicating intellect means having faith in me that I would definitely fulfill their desires. Like that, who dedicates their mind and intellect to me, they are very dear to me. Like that, Sri Krishna Paramatma declaring some qualities that we need to be inculcating so that we can become dear to Sri Krishna Paramatma. Having Krishna Paramatma's teachings running in our thoughts, now let us repeat Sri Krishna Paramatma's words as it is. Santushtaha satatam yogi ಯತಾತ್ಮ ದೃಢನಿಶ್ಚಯಃ ಮಯ್ಯರ್ಪಿತ ಮನೋಬುದ್ಧಿಃ ಯೋ ಮದ್ಭಕ್ತಃ ಸಮೇ ಪ್ರಿಯಃ. ಓಂ. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, in 18th chapter, from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become his most beloved devotees, and then he will liberate all of us from all kind of sufferings. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on meditating upon you. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my prescribed duties as your service. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall not cry anymore. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Srimannarayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam Sukhamukhadamrutadravasamyutam Pibata Bhagavatam Rasamalayam Muhuraho Rasika Bhuvi Bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupeta krutyam Dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava Putreti tanmayataya taravo bhineduhu Tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam udirayet. Srimad Bhagavatamo Dasamaskandham 10th Skandham 221st day. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukayogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Sri Krishna Paramatma in Brindavanam, he is giving such a beautiful darshanam of the entire Brindavanam to Chaturmukha Brahma. Then Brindavanam is now again back to normal state, filled up with all those boys and baby cows. Such darshanam is given to Chaturmukha Brahma. That Brindavanam is a supreme abode to Sri Krishna Paramatma. In that Brindavanam, Naisarga Durvairaha Saha Asan Namrugadayaha Mitraniva Ajita Ava Sadruta Rutu Tarshakadikam. In that Brindavanam, the animals which usually have animosity each other and the people who have animosity each other and people and animals, all of them forgetting all their hatredness and animosity, they are all living with a great friendly atmosphere. Everybody is happy in Brindavanam. In that Brindavanam, nobody is hungry, nobody is thirsty, no one has angry too. Such Brindavanam is now showing to Chaturmukha Brahma by Sri Krishna Paramatma. How is that Sri Krishna Paramatma? Who is that Sri Krishna Paramatma? Brahmadvayam Paramanantam Agadha Bodham Mummoola Vibhudayyun Akhilagnyudai Vokkadayyun. That Krishna Paramatma is the root cause for this entire universe. That Krishna Paramatma is the one who knows everything. That Krishna Paramatma is the one who has no one equal to him. That Krishna Paramatma is an embodiment of Jnanam, personification of Anandam. Such Paramatma, Sri Krishna Paramatma, giving his darshanam and Brindavana darshanam to Chaturmukha Brahma. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow. Om Sri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmad Gurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala Krishna Rakshatuno Jagatraya Guruhu Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishnena Marasetravo Vinihataha Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam कृष्णस्य दासोऽस्म्यहं कृष्णे तिष्ठति विश्वमेतदखिलं हे कृष्ण संरक्ष माम्. श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता 12th chapter 14th श्लोक. सन्तुष्टः सततं योगी यतात्मा दृढनिश्चयः मय्यर्पितमनो बुद्धिः यो मद्भक्तः स मे प्रियः. सन्तुष्टः सततं योगी यतात्मा दृढनिश्चयः मय्यर्पितमनो बुद्धिः यो मद्भक्तः स मे प्रियः. श्रीमन्नारायण करिष्ये वचनं तव. सर्वं श्रीकृष्णार्पणमस्तु. जय श्रीमन्नारायण.